So in this video you're going to learn how to install a WordPress theme beginner's guide. So let's begin. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online brand. So please consider subscribing, and if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So let's begin. So guys, installing a WordPress theme is really easy. Come to your WordPress dashboard. Currently this is my website. Looks really weird. Okay, I don't know, something's wrong with my website, but we are gonna install a theme and make it look more beautiful. All you have to do is click on appearance, click on themes. Okay, and then you could do is come down and you can add a new theme. So you can add a new theme in two ways. You could upload a theme. If you have a theme, you can upload it over here, choose file, and you could upload it from your computer. Or the second thing is search. Okay, so I'm gonna search for a popular theme called Nico. It's a really good blogging theme. Click over here, install, click on install and activate. Once this is activated, all you have to do is visit site. Now as you could see, now my website looks way better. Okay, so this is how you install a theme. And now let's customize a theme. Okay, so every theme has a different customization option. So currently this one has less, but it's really easy. You could select a logo if you want. I can upload a logo if I want. Go back, I could change the colors over here. If I want to make it purple, I could do that. I can change the background image. I could change the menu. There are a lot of this. So currently there is no widgets down. If you want, you can add widget. You can change the copyright footer, homepage setting. So this is where it will show your blog. If you write a static page, it will show me my home page. So I would always my home page is blank, so I would always select my blog page. And if you want additional CSS, you could do it over here. That's it, guys. That's it for today, and I hope you really like the video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing, and also the free bonus I told you in the beginning. So I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. It's a beginner's guide. I tell you complete step by step. I teach you each and everything. Like I click and a complete tutorial on how to create a professional website and how you could start making money out of it. So please, the link is down below and go and check it out. And thank you for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next video.